In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dynamic drop-down list. So I have a drop-down list in this cell where I have a list of names. And I want to pick one. And when I go to next cell and use the drop-down list again, I don't want to see the same name here again. Really nice, useful, and drop-down list is reducing. If I delete something, it will appear there again. Yeah. So now question is how to do it. So for this we need a base that will be used for our drop-down list. So in this case, if we go to data validation, I used as a source names, which is this area. So we have in formulas, name manager, define a name, where I have like offset function from G2, so from starting point here until the end of the active cells. So if there is something already used, it will disappear. That can be done using this offset function. So as example, I will fill some here, and you will see as it is disappearing from this list. So these values are fixed, and then we are using function. Here I have function that is checking if this name I can find in column A. If it's there, then it will write nothing. If it's not there, it will give me a row number in which this name we have. So we have this in row 4, this in row 6, and those that are already used are not here anymore. From this useful function that I put here, we can generate this dynamic list. And how this works? We use function where we check with this count. We know how many of the names are active, so we will consider all of them except Andrew. And for every row, which I have here, it will find the smallest number here and put the name. So it will put Martin as the smallest number is 2, then it will put Bill, then 5 will be Tom, 6 Thomas, and so on. And it will put us to the end. And that's how the easy way how to make this range. I hope you find it helpful.